In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. As you can see here in this transaction, on 26th of January, Mr. Sian, which is our vendor, sent all items against previously issued purchase order. So we have ordered something and now they have delivered us. So what happens when they deliver? They send the bill, and when the bill is entered in the system, the accounting gets affected. So we have booked the purchase order in the background before, but at that spot, the journal entry was not made because purchase order doesn't have any financial impact. Since we have just ordered items, we haven't received anything. But now that we have received this thing, let's see how we can convert this. We don't have to make the bill. All we have to do is just click on vendors and purchases and click on enter bills from here and click on new bill. Now one good thing about accounting software is, even if you don't remember that we have created a purchase order for this particular transaction, we just need to select the vendor and it will automatically show us here in the gray area that there is some pending purchase orders as well. So we can check that. But before that, just remember to fill in all the upper details first, because otherwise if you make some changes or mention some amounts and then change the date, it will automatically reset. So the date of transaction is 26th of January. Let me just change that. Due date automatically set. And we can mention any invoice number for the purpose of example. And the purchase order number is this one. And out of which, since it says all items are received, we will just write here that the remaining were this one and we have received it completely. So just mention all of the same items next to it. Mention the same quantities and make sure that the unit price or amount is correct. And after you have confirmed that, click on save. And that's how you convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. And just go to the previous transaction to check the journal entry effect. Make sure you are in the right transaction and then you click on the journal entry. So this is the journal entry and that's how you convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.